Interesting facts about planets and solar system. Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to tell you the facts about planets and solar system. So let's start. Fact number 1. Do you know? How old is the solar system? The solar system is around 4.6 billion years old. And scientists estimate that it will probably last another 5,000 million years. The solar system includes the Sun and all the objects that orbit around it due to its gravity. This includes things such as planets, comets, asteroids, meteoroids, and moons. Our solar system has only one star. And that is our Sun. And Sun is also the center of solar system. So that's why all other planets orbit the Sun. The Sun is one star. There are stars outside of solar system whose are millions of times greater than the size of the Sun. Fact number 2. Do you know? How big is our Sun? If we compare the Sun with our Earth, then we realize that the Sun is over 300,000 times larger than the size of Earth. And we can place 1.3 million Earths into the Sun. Fact number 3. Hottest planet. Do you know which one is the hottest planet in our solar system? The hottest planet in our solar system is Venus. But most people think that it would be Mercury. Because Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. But it's not the hottest one. It's Venus because Venus has a lot of gases in its atmosphere, which causes the greenhouse effect. Venus has a temperature that is maintained at 462 degrees Celsius. No matter where you go on the planet. Remember, Mercury is the planet that is closest to the Sun. And Venus is the second planet from the Sun. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Fact number 4. Number of moons. All the planets of our solar system have a number of moons, except Mercury and Venus. Mercury and Venus are the only planets in our solar system that do not have any moons. While the other planets have various number of moons, for example, Mars has 2 moons. Jupiter has 67. 62 for Saturn. 27 of Uranus. 14 of Neptune. 5 moons for Pluto. And Earth has 1 moon. And our moon is around 4.5 billion years old. As you know that astronauts travels moon. But the footprints and tire tracks left by astronauts on the moon will stay there forever. Because there is no wind to blow them away. Fact number 5. Venus is the only planet that spins backwards relative to the other planets. As you know, Venus is the hottest planet of our solar system. There are more than 1,000 volcanic structures. And possible periodic resurfacing of Venus by floods of lava. Venus has more volcanoes than any other planet in the solar system. Even though there are over 1,600 major volcanoes on Venus, none are known to be erupting at present. And most are probably long extinct. Fact number 6. Size of Pluto. As it is above mentioned that Pluto which has 5 moons. But what's the size of Pluto itself? Actually Pluto is itself smaller than the size of Earth's moon. A day on Pluto lasts for 6 days and 9 hours. Fact number 7. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. It has the 3rd largest planetary radius. and fourth largest planetary mass in the solar system. Uranus has 27 moons that have been discovered so far. What's a planet day? A planet's day is the time it takes the planet to rotate or spin once on its axis. Uranus rotates faster than the Earth. So a day on Uranus is shorter than a day on Earth. The length of day on Uranus is 17 hours and 14 minutes. While a day on Earth is 23.934 hours. Saturn. Saturn also rotates faster than Earth. So a day on Saturn is shorter than a day on Earth. A day on Saturn is 10.656 hours long. While a day on Earth is 23.934 hours long. Fact number 8. Inner planets. The inner planets, also known as terrestrial planets, are smaller and made mostly of rock and metal. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are known as the inner planets of solar system. Outer planets. The outer planets, also known as gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are known as outer planets, are much larger and made mostly of hydrogen, helium, and other gases. These 4 planets are also known as gas giants in our solar system. Fact number 9. The Olympus Mons. What is the Olympus Mons? The Olympus Mons is the highest mountain and volcano in the solar system, which is located on the planet Mars. It is 16 miles 24 kilometers high, which makes it about 3 times higher than Mount Everest. Mount Everest is highest mountain on our Earth. Fact number 10. Our galaxy. As you know, our galaxy named is Milky Way. The age of our galaxy Milky Way is 13.21 billion years. But how long is our galaxy? The width of our galaxy is around 100,000 light years. Light year? A light year is the distance covered by light in a single year. This is equivalent to 5.88 trillion miles, 9.5 trillion kilometers. Now we are going to our next interesting part of the video. And that's name is Did You Know? Did you know? Number 1. Gravity. Did you know? Because of lower gravity, a person who weighs 100 kilograms on Earth would only weigh 38 kilograms on the surface of Mars. Because Mars has less gravity than Earth have. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun and the 2nd smallest planet in the solar system, after Mercury. Number 2. The Martian Day. What is the Martian Day? It means that Mars' one-day time is 24 hours 39 minutes and 35 seconds. Number 3. The Sun lies at the heart of the solar system, where it is by far the largest object. The Sun contains 99.86% of the solar system's known mass, with Jupiter and Saturn making up most of the rest. The small inner planets, which include Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, make up a very small percentage of the solar system's mass. Our Sun makes a full rotation once every 25 to 35 days. Number 4. Astronomers such as Nicolaus Copernicus, Galileo Galilei, Johannes Kepler, and Isaac Newton helped to develop a new model that explained the movement of the planets with the Sun at the center of the solar system. Number 5. The asteroid belt. The asteroid belt is a region of space between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, where most of the asteroids in our solar system are found orbiting the Sun. The asteroid belt probably contains millions of asteroids. Thanks for watching. And if you like our video then subscribe to our channel.